Welcome to today's tutorial on making a brochure in Google Docs. Whether you're promoting your business, organizing an event, or sharing important details, a well-designed brochure can make a big impact. In this video, we will guide you through the process. Let's get started. 1. Choose a template. Click on File in the menu bar, select New and then choose from Template. Search for brochure to find relevant templates. 2. Select a brochure template, browse the available templates and choose one that suits your purpose. You can find one-page, two-page, or trifold brochure templates. 3. Customize the template, edit the text, images, and colors to match your content. Replace placeholder text with your own information. Adjust fonts, font sizes, and alignment as needed. 4. Add images and graphics. Click on the image placeholders and upload your own images. Use the Insert menu to add shapes, icons, or other graphics. 5. Organize sections. Divide your brochure into sections, e.g., About Us, Services, Contact. Use headings and subheadings to create a clear structure. 6. Review and proofread. Double-check spelling, grammar, and formatting. Make sure all information is accurate. 7. Save and share. Save your brochure in Google Docs. You can also download it as a PDF or print directly from Google Docs. Congratulations! You've learned how to make a brochure in Google Docs. Customize your design and let your creativity shine. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.